traders, so over here we have the pound CHF, and you can clearly see that we have a break of structure over here. And as prices breaks down, it made me realize that if you want to sell, you want to buy to sell, right? And this would be our price of interest. So over here we have a refined zone on the 1 hour time frame, and over here we have the 4 hour price of interest. All right, the last buy to sell move that broke out of structure. So this is our supply zone. So on the hourly time frame, we were looking for buys into these areas before selling off. And you can see that over here, prices makes a break of structure. All right, so over here we have a break of structure. All right, so this break of structure made me believe that we can actually buy now along the way back to catch a move towards the upside, right? And this is what happened. We have a break of structure, prices came back down, and on the 1 minute time frame or on the 5 minutes time frame, we have a refined area. So can you see this is the 1 hour demand, right? This is the demand zone on the 1 hour, and over here we have a 5 minutes refined zone. Okay. So over here you can see that prices are actually creating liquidity, right? It's actually trapping traders, right? Lows created, then they grabbed it. Lows created, they grabbed it, right? So all these lows are actually being liquidated along the way down. And over here we can start to name our schematics, right? Selling climax, the automatic rally. We have the ST, STMB, and over here we have the spring. Okay, so can you see that the spring lines up perfectly? The spring actually tapped onto the last demand zone over here before making a shift. All right, so at this point of time, we weren't looking to buy until it broke out of structure, until it tells us that prices wants to move away. And you can clearly see that we have a break of structure over here. All right, so over here, it tapped onto the AR, it came back down. So I actually placed a buy limit here. Stop loss below the spring, and we actually aim for highs, right? And you can see that we actually partialed over here. We actually partialed at this high and expect prices to tap into a refined zone. But you can see that prices actually tap onto the 4 hour supply zone over here and moved away from that. So how can we be a buyer over here and over here? So can you see that I actually marked out this area as well? This is actually the 1 minute refined area. Okay, this entry over here was placed by a buy limit. So if you drop down to the 1 minute time frame, you actually do not have a confirmation over here. You can see that prices just smash through this level without giving you any sort of confirmation. But what happened here? Can you see that this is a 1 hour, this is a 1 minute order block, right? This is the sell to buy move that broke out of structure and liquidated positions, right? So if you dive deeper into this level, what can you see? You can see another Wyckoff, right? We have the selling climax, the automatic rally, ST. We have the STMB. All right, at this moment, it broke out of structure over here. So this break of structure made us believe that prices wants to turn from here, right? And you can see that as prices breaks out, it left behind a sell to buy move over here. Okay, you can even refine it to the last over here. This is the last sell to buy move that liquidated positions and broke out of structure over here. So if you were to manage this trade, this would be in your entry, your stop loss below the STMB, right? And you can aim for the highs as well. Liquidate these current positions, right? Over here. Liquidate these highs and continue moving forward towards this high on the 1 hour time frame. So this is how you can actually refine your areas and catch a great move.